How to log in Hancock Whitney Bank online banking login. Hey everybody, welcome back to our official help desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step process how you can get logged into your account. So without any further ado, let us get started. Head over to any of your web browser. At the top search bar, type in hancockwhitney.com. As you do so, you will land onto its official website. Then you will see the login portal on your right side. Scroll below and here select your account type. Expand this option and select any account type that you have. Just like so, enter your username. Then once you do so, type in your password at the box below and click on to verify your account. In case you are having problem logging in, click onto the link that says can't log in and they will guide you reset your account. And in case you don't have a Hancock Whitney Bank account, you can open yourself a Whitney Bank account by simply clicking on open an account. This is what it will look like once you open the page, and that is how you can do it. So that wraps up today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then all you have to do is comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever we post. Thank you for watching. We will catch you up soon.